Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, T Auctions for You. A little while since I did an unboxing. This actually comes from my girl, Junebug. Shout out to Junebug. Junebug's been doing awesome over the last year with her new eBay store. Glad I could help you set that up and get that going. Junebug also makes my Auctions for You t-shirts if anybody's interested. The link is down below. You can fill out the form and we'll get that right out to you when we can. So let's see what we have. So here's the box. Here's the box. Let's see. How is everyone today? Today is beautiful out today in South Carolina. I was getting nervous there for a while. A few days ago. Yeah, a lot of rain. We have a big sale this week and our parking lot sale again. And actually, don't forget I've got an auction today at 4:30 p.m. right after probably you see this video. And I'm gonna offer up some stuff that I'm gonna bring to sale. So if you guys want it before I put it out tomorrow for the sale, I'll give you guys first crack at it. Alright, let's see what we got. Apologize if it's a little bit noisy with traffic. I'm at the store and I have the door open since it's so beautiful out. Oh, look at this, look at this. Wishing you happy holidays. Auctions for You. How cute with the snowman. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? That's awesome. Thank you, Junebug. Thank you. All right, and then let's see. Just some more shirts. She's always sending me, because unfortunately, I wear, and wash all, a bunch of them all week. So, all right. So she sent stuff for the baby. She sent stuff for the baby. So if you guys don't know, I just became a grandma for the very first time. My son Obi and his wife Jess, and we have little Emmett, and she sent that, and some onesies in there. Oh, look at the little socky shoes. Oh, they're adorable baby booties. Junebug, you're always so thoughtful. Look at these. Little socks for the little feet. And he was a little peanut when he was born. He was 6'11". Actually left the hospital down even less than that. He was born 6'14". I think he left the hospital down like 6'7". Then he was back up to 6'11". I think he's over 7 pounds now. All right, some bottles, some rubber duckies. Oh, Junebug, thank you, sweetheart. Oh my God. Receiving blankets. 2 of those. Junebug, you're too much. Look, some more onesies. How am I getting these on the plane, Junebug? Oh, and more. All right. Look at those. Heaven sent. Yes. Look at those. Little booties. All right, so I'll fall for the Velcro now while the baby's still little and we still have to tie his shoes. But I'm buying him regular shoes when he can learn to tie his own. None of this laziness stuff from these boys. What is this? Oh, 5 onesies. Look at these. So cute. Thank you, Junebug. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So 8 to 12, and then 16 to 20. Good move. Good move. Good move. Awesomeness. All right. Rubber ducky, you're the one. Thank you, my Junebug. All right. Appreciate that so much. I have to smuggle those on the plane. Good to tell, and 4 washcloths. Definitely have to smuggle this box on the plane somehow. Again, the little shoesies and the little booties. And the awesome Christmas shirt. Thank you, Junebug. And then some extra shirts for yours truly, so that she has some to wear during the week. Because I have about 4 or 5 now, but you know, with washing and stuff, after you wear them every day, like I wear them like a uniform, so I don't have to decide what to wear in the morning. I just grab one out of my closet, and that's what I put on. Guys, don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate you guys coming in. Again, just a reminder for later today, 4:30 p.m. Eastern. I'll be having an auction right after Brian, Mr. Buys a Lot. Donna's going to come in with me for a little while. I didn't think she was going to join me today, but she said she can come on for a little bit before she has to head off. I believe Chesy's team made the playoffs, so I think it's a playoff game. And then we'll try to get off so she can do some live streaming from the game once it starts. I think it doesn't start till like 7:30. Some of the stuff that I'm going to bring tonight is some stuff that I'm offering up on my weekend sale that we're having out in the parking lot tomorrow and Saturday. So I won't be having any auctions tomorrow and Saturday because I'll be too busy involved with that. Donna will probably do an auction with her coffee on Saturday, and then look for us to come back Sunday, because I will do an auction on Sunday, probably as a part of coffee. What else did I want to tell you? That's really it. Some of the stuff that I'm going to offer out tonight is just going to be stuff that I'm going to show you that I'm putting out at the sale. If there's something you see that you want, you let me know, and I'll bring it to auction instead of bringing it out the door. All right, guys. Again, I appreciate it. Junebug, thank you. Mwah. Appreciate you as always. Thank you for always being a great support. Thank you for doing the shirts for us. And if anybody wants a shirt, again, link in the description below. Just fill the form out, and we'll get you out a shirt. And we'll see you about 4:30 right here back on this channel. Have a great day, guys. Bye.